Locking the door to your flat, double-checking your car doors before you walk away, making sure your bike is locked tightly to the lamppost on the street. These things are all second nature. And since we live so much of our lives online, protecting your online information could be even more important than protecting your valuables. But how exactly can you create a strong password that's secure enough to frustrate potential thieves and hackers? And how do you keep track of all your passwords when you have so many online accounts? We've all done it. Reusing the same password you've had forever for multiple accounts. Remembering dozens of different passwords might seem challenging, but hackers tap into this insight and know that if they manage to get a hold of just one of your passwords, they might be able to gain access to your other accounts. This is why it's important to avoid using the same passwords across accounts. It makes it harder for thieves to steal your information and keep the problem isolated if a breach does occur. You should also try to avoid repeating words, numbers, or sequences. Repetition makes it easier for hackers' algorithms to guess your passwords. Try mixing them up by combining lowercase letters with uppercase and adding numbers and special characters for extra protection. When you're creating your passwords, it's tempting to fall back on information that's easy to remember, while using your address, birthday, or the town where you live might seem like an easy way to keep track of multiple passwords. It also makes it easy for hackers to explore the combination that makes them up. Avoid using numbers, words, or other information that's directly related to you and your habits. Instead, try getting creative. Randomly splice together 2 lines from 2 of your favorite songs to form a funny and memorable combination. Try adding in numbers and symbols to make a completely unique password. You can even create a personal pattern, adding a random character between letters or words. You might be wondering how you're supposed to keep track of multiple complicated passwords. That's what makes password managers so great. They only require you to remember one password in order to access all of the others. These encrypted tools store multiple passwords and even suggest secure combinations for new ones when you need to create them. If you choose the ones that's automatically generated, it will be stored by the password manager. You can also choose to create and store your own. Creating strong passwords and managing them doesn't have to be overwhelming. These tips will help keep you safe online, but it's also a good idea to add 2-step authentication whenever possible. This extra security layer requires you to authenticate your sign-ins with a code sent to a separate device. While these password strategies may seem like extra work, it's all worth it in the long run and can actually make your life a lot easier by helping you avoid things like identity theft, fraud, and stolen credit card information, and more. For more information on how N26 keeps your finances safe, check out the security page link in the description below.